Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Crypto channel. I talk about cryptocurrencies, airdrop, everything in the crypto space. I talk about crypto news. I talk about coins that are pumping solid projects. I just make videos on crypto back to back. I try to help people and save them from falling into scams. And I talk about top gainer coins on CoinMarketCap and other platforms. So if you check my subscribers, we are currently 2,145 people in this community. I would like you guys to join our community. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on our bell post notification on so that when I drop interesting content, you'll be among the first to see. So I just dropped a video on Elon.edao token, and I just made another video on baby care token. Right, among the top gainers on on CoinMarketCap, you're going to see Greenmoonzilla. I'm going to review this token now. I've been reviewing tokens for a long time, so sometimes I just look at the token and I can tell you if this token is a scam by just looking at some features about the token. But then I advise you to do your own research. Don't take everything I say because I'm not a financial expert. Everything I do is for educational purpose. Crypto is high risk, high reward kind of investment, so you need to be very careful when you're investing in the cryptocurrency. That being said, I drop links to in my description about different stuff. I drop links on how you can make money online legitimately, the way I make money online. I drop links on how to create your Binance account. I also drop a link on our official website, knowledgegapexpert.com, where we post about crypto news, solid projects you can invest in, everything you need to know. We even review tokens on our Knowledge Gap Expert. You can actually check it out too. So moving forward, let me quickly review this Greenmoonzilla token. Now this is the Greenmoonzilla token. This is the link to the official website. This token is already on the watch list of over 7,496 people, and the token doesn't have a market capitalization, which I'm always skeptical about when I see a token that doesn't have a market capitalization. Notwithstanding, it has a fully diluted market cap of over $12 million and a trading volume of over $500,000. Currently $621,000 in the last 24 hours, and this token has risen over 20%. Now it has increased 418%, as you can see in this place, and it is still in pennies. This token is usually not really valuable, it's worth very less. If you invest money in this, you're going to make a lot of money, but let's look at this and see whether it is worth investing in, and if it is not a token that people are going to lose money on. That being said, I'm going to copy this contract address since this is built on the BSC scan, Binance Smart Chain scan. I'm going to paste it. I'm going to check this in the Binance blockchain contract address. So you can see that this token has been increasing today. It has been going up and up and up, quarterly to continue to go up. So the thing is, this coin is actually going up. Now the question is, why is this token going up? They said Greenmoonzilla is supported by the CTO of GRM. It is satisfied with the demand for stable price increase in the case of chart fluctuation, because we initially added an hourly deflation mechanism for token in the code. So they are trying to make the chart stable, making sure that the chart continues to stay up, by adding an hourly mechanism. And this is the particular feature of a token that we call a rebase token. Basically, the way rebase token works is that when you invest your money, the chart will continue to go up and go up, but the value of your money will begin to go down. You end up not being able to sell off, and even when you are able to sell off, the value of your money would have reduced. And if this is a rebase token, most of the times people keep complaining that rebase tokens are scam token, and this is the behavioral pattern of a rebase token. I'm going to confirm this on the official website and on BSC scam, but that means let's move forward. This token allow you to obtain stable income while owning GRMZilla. Yeah, another thing about rebase token is that they promise you a stable coin that when you invest, they're going to give you maybe a Cardano, they give you a Solano, they'll give you probably a BNB or a BSC, BUSD, whatever token that is stable, rather than them rewarding you back with their own token and stuff like that. But notwithstanding, to just give the token the benefit of doubt, let's go to the official website and see. Okay, the Greenmoonzilla official website. Now they said, why choose Greenmoonzilla? This is the same thing they said there. The Greenmoonzilla is the working protocol to the moon. Well, this website looks sketchy. Like, it doesn't look, to me, it doesn't look like a solid project. Even the website is not convincing enough. It looks like a stuff that the people that created it just created it. Let's see whether we can see anything that concerns rebase token in this place, right? Website launch, lock in liquidity, Telegram, this, that. This is a rebase token, but I just need them to put that name rebase token, because what they explain is the perfect explanation of a rebase token. They said, please note, we are not connected to BSC smart chain, please use at your own risk. This is a disclaimer. If anything happens, you are on your own. Okay, I was thinking maybe they'll write something that concerns you. They're literally trying to hide the fact that their token is a rebase token. Like, you don't want to mention it outrightly, but they've given you the clue. They've made you understand that this token, it behaves like a rebase token. Yeah, this is it exactly. Look at it. They said, what is a rebase token? A rebasing mechanism adjusts the token circulating supply periodically. Let's say an elastic supply token aims to achieve a value of $1. If the price is below $1, the rebase reduces the current supply, which is your money, while increasing the value of each token, known as a negative rebase. So the chart will be going up, your money will be going up. Basically, this is what I wanted to confirm. This is a rebase token. So let's head over to BSC scan. Now let's move here. This is the contract address pasted there. This is the Greenmoonzilla transaction. Let's see whether the number of people holding this token is not shown. The token $572. I'm not seeing a lot of information here, but people are actually investing in this. They're going to lose money. Honestly, if you're investing with the mindset of making gain because it's going up, you're going to end up losing money. That's one thing I can guarantee you. So the only way we can know is the Binance created a system where people can actually leave a comment and talk about any token that has been created and give a review on it. So let's see whether people have actually commented something. But personally, I don't support this token. I don't believe in this project. I believe it's a rebase token and people are going to lose money. But let me see if anybody share my opinion or my thoughts. Okay, good. 14 comments are here. Said how to withdraw with scam. This token is a scam. Don't buy. This token rebase, you lose your money. Don't buy. Exactly. Somebody said, saw this comment here on BS. Everyone can find a project same way using the. I'm looking for. Look at this again. This is another person said token is rebase, you lose your money, don't buy. So people have given you hints that this token is a rebase token, don't buy. If you have bought this token in the past or you have plans to buy this token, this is a warning for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, share my video. Bye for now. I hope to see you in my next video where I drop another interesting content. So that is that on this project, and you can check my link in my description for other stuff you would like to look out for. That is that.